Welcome to our video about the solar system. In this video, we will take you on a journey through our cosmic neighborhood, introducing you to the planets, moons, and other celestial bodies that make up the solar system. We will share some fascinating facts about each planet, from the scorching heat of Mercury to the icy winds of Neptune. You'll also learn about some of the biggest discoveries and mysteries that scientists have uncovered about our solar system over the years. So buckle up and get ready to explore the wonders of the solar system. The solar system is made up of the Sun and all the objects that orbit around it. There are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The 4 inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are rocky and small, while the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are made mostly of gas and are much larger. There are also dwarf planets, such as Pluto, and many moons, asteroids, and comets in the solar system. The Sun is at the center of the solar system and provides light and heat for all the planets and other objects. The planets orbit the Sun in a circular or elliptical path, and their speed and distance from the Sun determine their characteristics, such as temperature and atmosphere. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and is located closest to the Sun. Mercury has a rocky surface with many craters and is similar in appearance to Earth's moon. Due to its close proximity to the Sun, Mercury is extremely hot during the day, with temperatures reaching up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 430 degrees Celsius, but very cold at night, dropping to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 180 degrees Celsius. Mercury has no atmosphere, which means that it doesn't have weather or air to breathe. Mercury takes just 88 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun, making it the fastest planet in the solar system. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is often referred to as the Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and rocky composition. Venus has a thick atmosphere that is made up mostly of carbon dioxide, which causes a runaway greenhouse effect that makes the planet extremely hot, with temperatures reaching up to 864 degrees Fahrenheit, 462 degrees Celsius. Because of its thick atmosphere, Venus has a surface pressure more than 90 times greater than Earth's surface pressure, making it a very harsh environment for humans. Venus has no moons, and it rotates very slowly, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and is the only known planet in the solar system that supports life. Earth is the 5th largest planet in the solar system and is approximately 4.5 billion years old. Earth is the only planet in the solar system with an atmosphere that can support life, with a mix of gases, including oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Earth has one moon, which is about a quarter of its size. Earth has several layers, including the crust, mantle, and core, and it's the only planet with tectonic plates that cause earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and the formation of mountains. Earth takes 365.24 days to complete one orbit around the Sun, which is why we have a leap year every 4 years to account for the extra day. Earth is home to millions of species, including humans, and has a diverse range of ecosystems, from oceans to forests to deserts. Mars is a fascinating planet that has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike for many years. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is often called the red planet because of its reddish appearance in the night sky. Mars is about half the size of Earth and has a thin atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is over 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Mars has 2 small moons called Phobos and Deimos. They are irregularly shaped and are thought to be asteroids that were captured by Mars' gravity. NASA has sent several missions to Mars, including the rovers Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity, which have explored the planet's surface and sent back valuable data about its geology and climate. Scientists believe that Mars may have had water on its surface in the past, which means that it could have potentially supported life. Mars has a day length similar to Earth's, but its year is almost twice as long because it takes longer to orbit the Sun. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun, and it's about 484 million miles away from the Sun. Jupiter is a gas giant planet, which means that it's made up mostly of gas and doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Jupiter has the largest number of moons of any planet in our solar system. The largest moon of Jupiter is called Ganymede, and it's actually larger than the planet Mercury. Jupiter has a very strong magnetic field, which is about 20,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. The Great Red Spot is a giant storm on Jupiter that has been raging for over 300 years. It's so big that 3 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter has very fast winds that can reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour. Because Jupiter is so massive, it actually affects the orbits of other planets in our solar system. Jupiter is one of the brightest objects in the night sky, and it's easily visible to the naked eye. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun, and it's the 2nd largest planet in our solar system, after Jupiter. One of the most striking things about Saturn is its rings. The planet has thousands of rings made up of pieces of rock and ice that are continually orbiting around the planet. These rings are very wide, but they're also very thin, only about 30 feet thick on average. Saturn's rings are the most well-known in our solar system, and they make the planet look like a giant, glittering toy. Saturn is also known for its many moons. In fact, it has at least 82 moons. Some of these moons are small and rocky, while others are larger and icy. One of Saturn's moons, called Titan, is the only moon in our solar system that has a thick atmosphere, just like Earth. Saturn takes about 29 years to orbit the Sun, which means that a year on Saturn is much longer than a year on Earth. It spins very quickly, though, so a day on Saturn is only about 10.7 hours long. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is the third largest planet in our solar system. Uranus is an ice giant, which means it is mostly made up of ice and gas, like water, methane, and ammonia. Uranus is tilted at an angle of almost 98 degrees, which is why it appears to be rolling on its side. This unique tilt gives Uranus very unusual seasons. Uranus has 27 known moons, with the largest being Titania, Oberon, Umbriel, Ariel, and Miranda. One day on Uranus lasts about 17 hours, and 1 year on Uranus lasts about 84 Earth years. Uranus is a very cold planet, with temperatures reaching as low as -224 degrees Celsius, -371 degrees Fahrenheit. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun and is the 4th largest planet in our solar system. Neptune is an ice giant, which means it is mostly made up of ice and gas, like water, methane, and ammonia. One day on Neptune lasts about 16 hours, and 1 year on Neptune lasts about 165 Earth years. Neptune has 14 known moons, with the largest being Triton. Neptune is very windy, with winds reaching up to 1,200 miles per hour, 2,000 kilometers per hour. Neptune has the strongest winds in our solar system. Neptune is very cold, with temperatures reaching as low as -218 degrees Celsius, -360 degrees Fahrenheit. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the solar system. We hope you enjoyed learning about the planets, moons, and other celestial bodies that make up our cosmic neighborhood. From the fiery volcanoes of Io to the stunning rings of Saturn, there is so much to marvel at in the solar system. We encourage you to keep exploring and learning about the wonders of space, as there is always more to discover. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.